Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are camping in Yellowstone National Park. There's the camper just chilling out right there. We just had to show you guys this really beautiful campground. And they have little cut-throughs where you can walk so that you don't have to be walking on the road. It rained literally the entire night, so this place is a mud pit. Okay, so right there is, they have a laundry room with showers, and then this is like the main entrance to the campground. They also have a dump station and a recycling center. We're probably not going to use the dump station though, because we have a full hookup site and they've got tons of campsites here, guys. A, B, C, D, E loops, and each one is totally packed with sites. So over here is the dump station and recycling center. And then I don't really know what that propane is. I don't know if you can buy that here or not. But the dump site is over here. Here's some more water. You guys, it rained so much. And here is the dump site. You can see that they don't have potable water over here. Just, yeah, the little spot where you put in the drain, the poop tube, and then there's some water to rinse out your tanks. And then if we walk down here, I'll show you guys the sign to this place. This is pretty cool though, the recycling station. Oh, and then here's their potable water. So it's on a different hose. So potable means you can drink it. So here's the road it's on, but it's still in the park, so don't worry. This is called the Fishing Bridge RV Park. And then inside of here, they have multiple campgrounds. The way to tell if they're full or if it's even worth driving in to see if they have a spot is this little sign on the bottom. Right now it's just blank. So you could stop in here and you could get a campsite. If it's full, they'll flip it around to the full side. But Yellowstone is absolutely crazy beautiful. So this campground is actually 25 miles from the east entrance. So it's pretty close to the east entrance. So if you came here like later at night, you wanted to pull in right away, you could pull in and stop here. They do have a gift shop like in there by where you check in, but you're not supposed to have animals in there. Me and Zena already broke the rules last night to check in because we were in such a hurry. We wanted to run in to see if they had a site available, but I will abide to their rules, even though they're boring. So this place is pretty ridiculously expensive. I mean, it was over $100, but how often are you gonna stay here? And I just think it's super crazy fun. They, last night when we were checking in, they said that they had a more like primitive site down the road, but we really wanted the full hookups just so we could say that we did it. It is super fun. Right now we're walking on this little path, lighted path by the entrance to the park. So we want to see where this goes. Zena absolutely hates the rain. So she has not been enjoying herself at Yellowstone too much. Like everything we get out and see while we were driving around yesterday, it was raining the whole time almost. So we're like looking at this, oh my gosh, it's called like Sulphur Basin, and it's like, it's raining. So I've got her like inside of my shirt, and then the second we get back to the camper, she like burrows under my shirt, and then I put a blanket on top of her so then she can reheat up. I mean, me and Mr. Cameraman took this trip to cool down, but if it was up to Zena, she'd be loving the 115 all the time. She loves to roast. This is a really pretty little trail. It's like you're just walking into the forest. And from right here, it appears that I still can't tell where this trail is leading us. There's the main road. And if we just keep walking this way, I'm sure we will find out. Okie dokie, so we have come upon an ice building thing, which is pretty cool. You pay, and then obviously read the directions first. Don't just listen to me. But you pay, and then the ice drops in here, and then you open that up to get your ice. That's pretty cool. I want to see what this big building is. It just appears to be a cabin. Private residence, Yellowstone General Store employees only. Okay, so pretty cool. Not only is there a squirrel, but if you follow the path that's inside of our campground, you wind up at the Yellowstone General Stores, which appears to be closed. Let's look at the hours. Store hours, 9 to 8 p.m. Fountain hours, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. So, they are not open. Let's keep walking. Okay, and then next to the store, they have a little gas station over there, so that's really, really nice. So now I think we're gonna head back to the campsite. Now we are walking back to our campsite, but I don't want to forget to tell you this. At this campground, the guy checking us in called it bear country or something. So there's a whole long list of stuff you can't leave outside, including pet food for your puppers. But no like soft-sided rigs are allowed in this campground. So you can't have like a canvas pop-up tent that's in the back of your truck. You can't have a normal like plasticky tent. Only hard-sided RVs and motorhomes. And I mean, I'm sure if you have some other type of hard-sided camping vehicle, they might let you in here, but it does have to be hard-sided. And there's our campsite back there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful park. Okie dokie, you guys. I feel like being a little crazy. I feel like living a little bit on the edge. So, I think I forgot my shower card. Never mind, I've got it right here. So, it's pretty cool. You can go to their little area in the gift shop. They have a little laundromat that I want to look at. Probably not going to do laundry, maybe. But this is a shower card, so I got all my stuff here. And then, I don't know why. I just want to try it out. You know, we're in a full hookup site and got a shower of my own, but I want to get the full campground experience. So we're going to go in right here where it says showers and laundry. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to show you guys in here. Obviously, it's a bathroom, but I'll see if there's anything I can show you. So this is what the inside of like the stall looks like. They do have soap, which is super cool. And then they've got a curtain, so you just go back in here. That was pretty nice, guys. I wanted to show you a little bit more of the laundry room, but there was tons of people in there. The only thing, I thought since you were paying over $100 to stay here, they might give you the laundry for free, but you had to pay for the laundry machine. So definitely not doing laundry. But the shower did a good job, you guys. I am totally a fan. The one thing that kind of frustrated me was there's like no good place to take off your shoes. So it's a total mud pit out here. So I like tracked mud into the shower with me, and where you like take off your where you put all your shower stuff, the water doesn't reach. So long story short, you make the floor dirty and it's hard to clean the floor, so then you feel bad. But it was fun. Another thing to note is if you're like me, and you just shave with soap instead of like shaving cream. Their soap is not the best for it, but as you can, I probably missed a few spots, but as you can see, it got the job done. Definitely think you guys should come check out this park. It's really cool. And stopped in the gift shop, got a really cool keychain and 2 chocolate bars. We got a s'mores Yellowstone chocolate bar, and we got a s'mores huckleberry chocolate bar. So we're super, super excited to try those. They are right here. Let me show you guys them really fast. They look so delicious. Cannot wait to eat these. They look so tasty. And then I'll show you guys the little ornaments. But they have tons of stuff in there. And a couple other things that are a little bit strange about the showers is in the men's room, ladies like totally walk in there. So if that's something you are not comfortable with, this might not be the shower for you, because I heard multiple ladies in there talking while I was in the shower, and as I was walking in, a lady was walking in. So that's just kind of how it is, I guess. And so it's like a locker room situation when you first walk in, with like sinks and stuff and a big open area where you can change. That does not really appeal to me in any way, shape, or form. So I shaved, brushed my teeth, and got dressed all like inside of my little shower cubicle. So yeah, overall it's a nice shower. It's just got its quirks. And they have this spot up front where you can look at all these fun activities and stuff to do. This would be super, super fun. They got a bunch of beautiful pictures. And then they have complimentary phones and a list of like people you can call in a worship service at the Fishing Bridge Amphitheater. Pretty cool. This place is massive. And the trees out here are unbeatable. I mean, look how beautiful that little like clump is right there. Makes me want to dig it up and take it home. Obviously you can't do that, but look how beautiful that is. And it is a little bit hard to find a spot to let your dog go potty, because the place, even in the grassy spots, it's just like a mud pit, but a beautiful mud pit. If you guys liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Definitely come check out Yellowstone Park. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Bye.